Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of Photoshop and learning how to expand image background like never before. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. First, hold Alt button and scroll wheel down like this. Click here and select Crop tool. Expand to click and drag. Adjust the image to pick and drag like this. You can move the image to hold Ctrl plus scroll wheel up and down. Click here and select rectangular marquee tool. Select the area to click and drag like this. Now, press Ctrl plus Shift plus I for inverse selection. Now go to Edit menu, click on Fill option, select Content Aware and press OK. Press Ctrl plus D for deselect. You can remove this object to follow same process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates.